Fifth question. A radius of a sphere increased by 25%. Find the percentage increased in its surface area. So what they mentioned? Sphere. So what's the sphere formula? 4 pi r square. Okay. So now we are going to. So first I am going to explain. So we are having a like this sphere ma. So whose radius is they mention. They didn't mention, that is r. Okay. So next surface area or the next sphere whose radius is increased. This and this is r means, and this part is what? 25% of r. Okay, this is increased to 25% of r. So we are having a r plus 25% of r is increased. Okay, this is a new sphere. This is a original. This is a original and this is a new sphere. Okay, so now we can do the problem, right? So original sphere. So original sphere radius is what? Original sphere radius is r equal to, so we can take r1 equal to r. Okay, original sphere is a r ma. Then we are having a new sphere. New sphere. So we are having a new sphere, right? So that's nothing but radius, whose radius equal to original radius plus 25% of r. Clear? So what I am getting? R plus percentage, how can I write? 25 by 100 into r. So r plus, if you cancel this, how many times? 1 by 4 into r. So cross multiply how much? 4r plus r by 4. So finally how much we are getting? 4r by 5r by 4. So what's the new radius? 5r by 4. This is a 1 and this is a 2. Okay. Are you clear? So this is a new radius, this is the original radius. So what they are asking? Find the percentage increase in the surface. So percentage increased in the surface equal to new sphere minus original sphere by original sphere. Into 100. Okay, this is a formula ma. Why we are multiplying into 100 means percentage. Okay, because you are going to find out percentage. First you should know surface area. Surface area of sphere. Pi r 4 pi r square units. So now I can substitute 4 pi r. New sphere is what? 5 r by 4 the whole square minus original is same 4 pi r. In this place r as it is r square by original the same. So 4 pi r square. The both the term we are having 4 pi r is common. So I can take, right? So 4 pi is common. So what I am getting? So squaring this, 5 square is 25. R is r square. 4 is 16. Then in this place minus r square by 4 pi r square. So this 4 pi cancel. So 25 r square. So we are taking LCM. So 16 r square by overall 16 by r square. So this r square is moving to denominator. So 25 minus 16 time will come? 9, right? So 9 r square by 16 into r square. This r square cancel. Anything is cancel? No, right? So 9 by, oh, I left it the 100 raw. Right? So 9 by 16 into 100. So I can cancel, right? 2 table in 4 table I can cancel. This is for 4 time, 8 for 2 time, 20 for 5 time. So how many time? 9 into 25, 5, 4. How many time will come? 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 225 by 4. So how much we are getting? How many percentage? It should be percentage, ma, because multiply into 100 due to the percentage only. 5, so 4. So how many times? So 24. 5 times, so 20. So 2, so 5. Again 24, 6 times. So 1, 0, put a point. 2 times, 8, 2, 0, 20, 5 times. So 56.25 percentage. Are you clear? We are multiplying into 100, so it's a percentage, okay? Therefore, percentage increased the surface area. 56.25 percentage. That's it.